The Amana F01 error code signals an issue with the EEPROM in your appliance. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, which is a type of memory chip located on the main control board. This non-volatile memory retains critical data even when the appliance is powered off, including firmware, calibration settings, and error logs. The F01 error specifically indicates potential data corruption or hardware failure within this EEPROM chip. This error commonly occurs in older Amana refrigerator and oven models manufactured between the 1990s and 2010s, which are now part of the Whirlpool brand. Understanding that F01 points specifically to an EEPROM problem, rather than sensor or temperature issues like F00 or F03 codes, is the first step to resolving it. Start with the simplest fix. Unplug your Amana appliance for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the EEPROM to reset, often clearing the error. According to a user case study on applianceforum.com, this method resolves the F01 error in approximately 80% of cases. If the error persists, the next step involves checking the voltage to the control board using a multimeter. It should typically read between 5 to 12 volts. If the simple reset doesn't work, consider that advanced repairs may require replacing the EEPROM chip, which costs $20 to $50 and involves desoldering the old chip and programming a new one. For complex cases, it's best to consult a qualified appliance repair technician or refer to Whirlpool service bulletins for model-specific guidance. Ignoring the error can lead to total board failure, so prompt action is recommended.